Good morning, dear students. In class 4th, subject mathematics from chapter number 9, today we will represent the given data by using tally marks, pictograph and bar graph. So let's start. Students, in this table, number of students in class 1st to 5th are given here. Now let us represent the number of students with the help of matchsticks using tally marks. Students, you have already learned that how to represent counting by tally marks. Students, we know that after 1, 2, 3, 4, we represent 5 by a slant line. Thus, how many these are in number? 5, 10, 15. Now we represent number of students of class 2nd, that is 25 by tally marks as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Similarly, number of students in 3rd, 4th, 5th can be represented in this way by using tally marks. Now let us display same data with the help of pictograph. For this, I have drawn one horizontal and one vertical line. I have written classes 1st to 5th on horizontal line and number of students on vertical line. Students, now we will represent these number of students from class 1st to 5th by using smileys on this pictograph. Here one smiley will represent 5 students. As the number of students in class 1st are 15 and number 15 is represented by smileys in this way. Students, how many smileys we have used? 3 smileys are representing number 15 because 1 smiley equal to 5. So my dear students, thus we have 5, 10, 15. Similarly, number of students of class 2nd, that is 25, represented by smileys like this, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now number of students in class 3rd are 20. So to represent 20 on a pictograph, we have used 4 smileys, that is 5, 10, 15, 20. Now we represent 35 students of class 4th with the help of smileys like this, and finally we represent 30 students of class 5th in this way. So in this way, according to given data, pictograph is ready. Students, now let us display the same data horizontally on bar graph. For this, I have drawn one horizontal and one vertical line like this, on which I have marked divisions at equal distances on both lines. Horizontally from left to right with an interval of 5, I have marked divisions from 0 to 35 that represent number of students, and on vertical line I have written classes from 1st to 5th. Students, now we will represent this data on bar graph by using horizontal strips of equal width. Now number of students in class 1st are 15, so we draw a horizontal strip in front of 1st class up to 15 division representing 15 students. Now number of students in class 2nd are 25, so we draw a horizontal strip in front of class 2nd representing 25 students. In 3rd class we have 20 students, so we draw a horizontal strip in front of class 3rd representing 20 students in this way. Now in 4th class we have 35 students, so we draw a horizontal strip in front of class 4th representing 35 students. Similarly, in 5th class we have 30 students, so we draw a horizontal strip in front of 5th class representing 30 students. In this way, horizontal bar graph is ready. Now let us display the same data vertically on bar graph. In this also I have drawn a horizontal line and a vertical line like this. Now from left to right, horizontally I have written the classes. On vertical line with an interval of 5, I have marked divisions from 0 to 35 that represent number of students. Now we will represent this data on bar graph by using vertical strip. Students, now we draw a vertical strip on class 1st representing 15 students. Now we draw a vertical strip on class 2nd representing 25 students. Similarly, we draw a vertical strip on class 3rd representing 20 students. After that, we draw a vertical strip representing 35 students on class 4th. Finally, we draw a vertical strip representing 30 students on class 5th. In this way, vertical bar graph is ready. In this way, today we have represented given data by using tally marks, bar graph and by pictograph. Students, now we can also solve questions based on these representations. Students, in your today's homework, you have to practice how to represent given data by using pictograph and bar graph and solve the related questions. Thank you.